I knew when I signed on with Aspen that my long-term goal was always going to be ownership.
The thought process to become an owner is easy. You want to do it. You want to be an owner. You like the model. You like what's being offered from Aspen.
My journey through Aspen is probably pretty typical of most dentists, starting out as an associate and growing into the MCD role, which really consists of finding a way to manage the office, being the driver and the leader in the office. For me, after becoming an MCD for a few months, had the opportunity to own and moved to Arkansas to do that, and it's been a great journey.
I joined Aspen as a temp doc, then I became an associate and an MCD within the first 3 months. Within the first year, I bought my first practice, and then after 4 years, I own currently 4 practices and working on many more.
I think for the students, the idea of a really engaged mentor who's going to help them move away from the restorative education they got in dental school. We want to do more than just crowns and fillings. And since there wasn't such an emphasis on that in dental school, by getting a mentor who's going to help them become comfortable with that, they can really have the career that they're looking for.
Mentorship was a big deal coming out of dental school. It's hard to just comprehend dentistry, let alone get confidence in talking to patients.
So there's a lot of other ancillary issues that we don't get the knowledge in dental school. How to run a business, how to deal with patients, the psychology aspect of dentistry. We don't learn all that. That's what I learned from my mentor, and I learned over the years. And that's what I try to impart on anybody who works together with me.
The opportunity to grow in your clinical skills by doing and knowing that there's a doctor there that can guide you if you get into a situation that you're less confident in. I think your confidence level will grow by leaps and bounds by being an Aspen dentist fresh out of school.
No matter how good seasoned dentist you are, there's always a room for learning. We can always grow. There's always something you can teach me, and there's always something I can teach you.
Yes, this is one of the advantages with Aspen Dental is there's always someone with more experiences that will take you under their wing and kind of help develop your skills and kind of align you with what makes your job easy day to day, and they're there for you. They answer your questions and support throughout your career with Aspen.
I really look forward to being a mentor in my practice, educating them about a patient, what our patient looks like, our demographic, what our patients expect, what we can do for our patients. The whole idea of same-day treatment, trying to help people who are in pain, not to turn them away, but to do everything you can for everyone that you can.
It's wonderful to see people develop. It's wonderful to see the confidence that they get from it, and just the success. It's my success to see somebody else being successful under me.
What is your goal in life? Do you want to be an owner? Do you want more education? Do you want more exposure? Do you want to manage? Once you have that piece figured out, it's easy. At least with Aspen, I can say with confidence that there are doctors, there are mentors that are more than willing to go that extra mile to make sure that you're successful. All you got to do is be honest and open yourself up. That's all it takes.
It's a great relationship to have that mentee-mentor bond, because when you teach somebody their life skills, and professional skill is a life skill, when you teach them that skill, that relationship is really strong.
In terms of mentorship, to me it is a valuable tool. Where do we find mentorship these days? And a mentor is different than a coach, as we all know. Coach will give you the skill set, but mentor is somebody who has been there, done that, will guide you lifelong. So to find a mentor in anybody's life, it's a key thing. Once you have the right mentor, the success is in your hands, the skill set you develop is in your hands, but the mindset you develop is a lifelong treasure.